Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Fancy Cooking. For today's video we are making steam roast chicken. It's healthy, simple and yummy. Before we get started, we need to marinate the chicken for 24 hours. If you are in a hurry, then 2 hours will do. The things you need are
slit chicken thighs. You can use any chicken pieces but slit them up so they cook nice and tender. A nice squeeze so you remove all the water. You need dry chicken pieces. 1 cup of curd depending on how many grams of chicken you are using. I'm using half kg. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder depending on how spicy you want your chicken. Give it a nice mix. Mix in some salt. Add kasuri methi crushed up with your hands. Marinate the chicken for around 2 to 24 hours. The longer you marinate the chicken is going to get nice and tender. Thick slices of onion, sliced ginger and chopped garlic, cinnamon sticks and crushed cardamom. Sprinkle some oil, add cinnamon sticks and half a crushed cardamom. Place the slices of onion so you cover the bottom of the pan. Sprinkle some salt. These onions are going to caramelize and give a good flavor. Place your chicken. Sprinkle the garlic and ginger. Steam cook the chicken for half an hour but keep checking on it. Once your half an hour is done, this is how the chicken looks. Look how the onions are caramelized and how tender the chicken is. This step is for roasting the chicken. Add in some ghee, the remaining cardamom powder, salt. Give it a nice mix. Add in your chicken pieces. Add in all your caramelized onion. Give it a nice stir and roast them for a while.
Here's our steam roast chicken. It looks yummy. Please do give it a try. If you like today's video, don't forget to subscribe, give a big thumbs up, share it with your family and friends and leave comments. I have many more videos heading your way. Until our next video. Bye you guys.